Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Vehicle's presented in mineral grey, features a full YNC body enhancement package as you can see, and we've also added a brand new set of the 20-inch Performance style alloy wheels. At the front of the car you will see there, it does come with the facelift on this car, so we've got the facelift LED headlights. Down the side we've also got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls. This is a very nicely presented car, and of course these colour combinations and all of the body enhancements that we've added really do further add to this car's already very nice looks. Inside is a full black Dakota leather. Front seats are both heated with the electric lumbar option as well. There is the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this car, and I shall be showing you more of the interior details shortly. Rear seats are three-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest, and again that's all been kept in really nice condition. So of course you will see there isn't the sun protection glazing on this car, however we can go ahead and add that should that be something that you wish to. We can discuss that should you want to give us a call on this car, and again that can all be discussed for you, not a problem. Round at the back we've got the gloss black rear boot spoiler, matching rear diffuser, and you'll see there the LED rear lights, automatic opening and closing rear tailgate. Again, the Gran Coupes all come with a very big boot space and split folding seats. Round at the driver's side, and we can highlight to you as best as possible here just how well the mineral grey looks with all of those enhancements that we've added here. Inside we'll go through a couple of those interior details, beginning with the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. So you can notice straight away we've got cruise controls, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. This car's covered just over 46,000. You'll see as well we've got the paddles for that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Let's start the car up, and you can see there having that bigger screen, especially when using the sat nav, is a real benefit. Over into the vehicle service screen now, you can see the next service isn't due for 17,000 miles. Up on service history, there's 3 recorded services from BMW, and the most recent has come from ourselves. However, we of course now update the iDrive with our own service stamp, as you can see. Back over onto Bluetooth now, Bluetooth audio and telephone. Multimedia includes DAB, music collection, AUX, USB. Really well looked after car this one, and it looks great with those additions. As with all of these walk-arounds, we hope you've enjoyed it, and if you would like to know some more information including prices and funding options, please simply click on the links down below, or alternatively give us a call. I always leave the contact information in the description also. Thanks guys, take care, bye bye.